Hi students, how are you? I think all of you good. Okay students, did you write homework? Okay, good. I think you will do correctly. Okay, so you will do solved correctly. Okay students, what is learned about previous class? What is transversal? Yes, transversal. Today, that is the lesson we are going to look at today. Construction. Okay students, constructions. So today we learned how to draw a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Okay student, today topic constructions of perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Okay students, okay, all of you take compass, eraser and pencil, scale and pen. Okay students, okay. What is perpendicular bisector? What is perpendicular bisector? A perpendicular line which divides a line segment into two equal parts is a perpendicular bisector. Okay student, can you understand? What is perpendicular bisector? A perpendicular line which divides a line segment into two equal parts is a perpendicular bisector. Okay students. Now, how to draw a perpendicular bisector? For example, 5.11, 5.11. Okay, construct a perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB equal to 6 cm. Construct a perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB equal to 6 cm. Okay students, first we take a scale and draw a line. First we take a scale and draw a line. Okay, draw a line and mark 2 points. Mark 2 points. First points A and another point is B. Okay, first point is A. So we choose AB equal to 6 cm. So AB equal to 6 cm. So we take a scale and centimeter 6 cm on it. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cm. So we take 6 cm. A is starting point and find B point. So this one is A and 6 is here. So this point is B. Can you understand? This point is B. So this point is B. Okay. Now using compass, students using compass with A as center and radius more than half of the length AB. Okay students, so we take this line is AB equal to 6 cm and using compass and both sides are equal. So C. Okay, so A is starting point and this one is center and half of more than half. We take more than half and this one is more than half. So AB top one cut and AB bottom one cut. Okay, A is center and AB top one cut and AB bottom one cut. Okay, next we take B is center and AB top one cut and bottom one cut. Okay, so this point is C and this point is naming D. Okay, so join the two lines. Students, listen. See the 2 points. So mark. So draw a line. So this is perpendicular. This is AB line and CD is perpendicular. So now, so this is origin. So this one is origin. So AB equal to 6 centimeters into divides the line segments into 2 equal parts and AO and OB are equal parts. Okay, student, can you understand? So now AB equal to 6 centimeter. Yeah, AB equal to 6 centimeter. AB equal to 6 centimeter and OE equal to 3 centimeter. So OA are 3 centimeter and OB are 3 centimeter. So therefore AB equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, student, can you understand how to draw a perpendicular bisector of a line segment? How to draw? First, draw a line and using scale AB equal to 6 centimeter draw and A is center and more than half. So one cut, AB's top one cut and AB's bottom one cut and B is center and AB's top one cut and bottom is one cut and gives 2 points and draw a perpendicular line. So gives perpendicular bisector. So by perpendicular. So this one is bisector. This one's OA is equal to gives 3 centimeter and OB is equal to 3 centimeter. So this line segment is perpendicular bisector. Okay, student, can you understand? Okay, good. Students, draw yourself. Students, draw your classwork note. Okay, must use pencil and with compass. Okay, and use scale. Can you understand? Okay, good. Next we are going to the exercise 5.3. The first problem, draw a line segment of given length and construct a perpendicular bisector to each line segment using scale and compass. Okay students, first one is 8 centimeter. Okay. Using scale. Draw a line using a scale. Students, can you see the line? Okay. Now can you see that line? So using scale and draw a line. Okay, so arrows on both sides. First mark at starting point. This name is A. And take 8 centimeter on the scale. Take 8 centimeter on the scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So 8 centimeter. So where is 8 centimeter? This one is 8 centimeter. This one is 8 centimeter. Yeah. So this mark at point B. And using compass more than half. This one is half. And more than half, this one is half, more than half, so we take this. Okay, so cut and the AB top one side, AB top one cut and AB bottom one cut. So at the same radius and B's center and B center and AB's top one cut and bottom one cut. Okay, so mark the point C and D. Naming your choice, students. So we have take C, D. Okay, we have take C and D. So draw the perpendicular line. This one is called, this name is C and this name is D. Okay, this name is C and this name is D. So this one is O. So this one is O. So O to OA. OAs are 4 centimeters. So now, this one is OAs are 4 centimeters. So this one is 4 centimeter and OBs are 4 centimeters. So the whole AB equal to, what is given? AB equal to 8 centimeter. So 8 centimeter. So now this picture is correct. How? This one is 4 and this one is 4. So this picture is this perpendicular line segment. This perpendicular bisector is correctly. How? OAs are 4 centimeter, OBs are 4 centimeter. Okay student, can you understand line segment? Can you understand perpendicular bisector? Okay, good. Okay students, first you draw a classwork note. Don't write overwriting. Don't overwriting. Sharp the pencil. Sharp the pencil. Sharp the pencil. How is sharp? See that how is sharp. Okay. And next note, this and this one is the same. So same. So same. Okay. Next topic, constructions of angle bisector of an angle. Constructions of angle bisector of an angle. Okay students, for example 5.12, what is given? Construct bisector of the angle ABC with the measure 80 degree. With the measure 80 degree. Okay, so first what is given? 80 degree. Angle is what is given? What is given? Angle 80 degree. Angle 80 degree. Okay. First, draw a line. Students, look at me. First, can you see the scale? Okay. First, draw a line. First, draw a line. Okay. So, this one name is A. This one name is A. Okay. And this one name is B. This one name is B. So, draw a ray and name is A and B. Okay. Using protractor and fix this line, the center line, fix it. This center line fixing on B. Fixing on point B. So, fixing AB line, fixed B. So, B fix line fix on B. So, we take angles, which is angles 80 degree. What is angles? 80 degree. It is given 80 degree angle. So, this one is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So, mark 80. Okay, mark 80. Okay. So, and using scale and two line, draw a line. Okay. So, this one name is A, this one name is B, and this point, this ray point, this lines, and this point is name is C. Okay. So, this one is 80 degree. Now, to find the 80 degree, how to divide it into two equal parts. Now how to divide 80 degree in two equal parts. Okay. Okay. Next, this one is 80 degree. Yes. So right. Okay. And take compass and some values, some radius fixed. So some radius. Can you see the compass? Okay. Some radius. Draw a radius. Some B is fixed and or B in origin and draw a radius. So this point and this point we name C. So naming E and F. So E and F. Okay, your choice. PJ. So alphabet letters. So capital alphabet letters. Okay. So I will we choose E F. We have choose E F. Okay. So and E center point. So mark point E and F. Okay, mark point E and F and draw a one arc and E center and draw a one arc. Okay, and F is center and draw a one arc. Two arc meet the pointers. Mark. This name is D. This name is D. Okay, so this name is D and draw a 2 points. Draw a line on 2 points. So 2 points. Okay. So these angles are 40 degree and these angles are 40 degree and these angles are 40 degree. Okay. So J. So and using protractor fixing on it. So how much? So this one is 40 degree. This area is 40 degree and this area is 40 degree. So this one is 40 degree and this one is 40 degree. So okay. So this is a angle bisector. This pictures is angle bisector. Okay, student, can you understand how to draw a angle bisector? Okay, good. Okay, students, you draw your classwork notes. You draw a classwork note. Okay. Okay, student, can you understand? Okay. Don't overwriting. Don't overdraw. Draw neatly. Okay, students, I think all of you drawing is looks like neatly. Okay, students, next example, next exercise. Next exercise. Next exercise. (5.4) Problem number 1. Homework. Problem number 1. Homework. Okay. 60 degree, 100 degree, 90 degree, 48 degree and 110 degree. Okay, students. Okay, we are going to another topic. Now the topic is constructions of angle of measure 60 degree. Okay, students. Now the drawing. Now the construct the special angles. Constructions of special angles without using protractor. So without using protractor. First draw a line. First draw a line. Okay, first draw a line and draw on both sides. So this one is this point, mark at point A and using compass as some measure. Okay, some radius, convenient of some radius A as center and drawing a mark and drawing a arc. Okay, drawing a arc. Okay, students. So then this arc. So this arc meet the line. This arc meet the line. This point is called B. This point is called B. Okay, students. And same radius and center at point. Cut the same arc. So and mark this point and joining A point and cut this point. So this point name is C. Okay, C. So A joining and A and C. So this one is 60 degree. So using protractor and measure the angles. So this angle is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. So this one is 60 degree. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So this drawing is correct. Okay, student, can you understand? Okay, good. Draw your classwork note. using pencil. Okay, pencil is sharp and in pencils both sides are compass, both sides are and equal. So the same. Okay, same. I think, can you understand the angle, constructions of angle? Okay. Okay, good. A homework exercise 5.5, problem number 1. Okay, problem number 1, homework. Okay, students. Okay, do not overwriting. Okay, presentations as always neat and proper. Okay, and mentions the scales. Okay, and naming the fixture is important in geometry. Okay, naming and mark the point and measure the angles are very important in this topic. Okay, first is today topics is, first one is perpendicular bisector. So second one is angles bisector, and third one is constructions of angles. So today we have studied 3 topics. So first do your homework and presentation, very very important. So don't overwriting. Okay students, we are meet the next class. Okay, with new interesting topic. Okay, bye.